Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I am bringing you an evening clean with me. This was one day after work and I definitely needed to get the house tidied.
When you came over, my heart was on its way out.
I'm just going to start by unloading the dishwasher, and then there are a few dishes in the sink that I wanted to either load in the dishwasher or go ahead and wash by hand. I had started cooking dinner, so I decided to clean while dinner was cooking, and I definitely wanted to go ahead and take care of those dishes.
Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. You lay beside me, you held my hand in the dark. I started fighting, 'cause I was scared of it all. And isn't it glorious how love gets the best of us? Yeah, I got feelings, but I'm a tough one sometimes. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently.
There were a few dishes that I could not load into the dishwasher, so I'm just going to go ahead and hand wash those.
I met you, born with a longing for the open road. You had a hunger burning in your heart, enough to tear the world apart. We were like outlaws on the West Coast, leaving our footprints in the wet sand. Now our love is more like a remedy, and our world is a forgotten land. 'Cause I can see the fire in your eyes, burning like a hurricane blowing through the falling rain. I feel the rising of the tide. I will let this fire burning through the hurricane. One day with our troubles far behind us, we will look back at all we've been through. But baby, this love that we've been running on, it's not a love we should be running from. 'Cause I can see the fire in your eyes, burning like a hurricane blowing through the falling rain. I feel the rising of the tide.
that the dishes have been dried and put away, I like to wash my sink every time I do the dishes. It's one of my favorite chores, but I also like to do it because I don't want any food lingering around and causing any weird smells. So I'm just going to use a sponge and some dish soap just to quickly wash it out.
Burning like a hurricane blowing through the falling rain. I see you through the mask you wear, and I'll do anything to hold you near, 1,000 miles away from here. I see the fire in your eyes. You're burning like a hurricane blowing through the falling rain. I feel the rising of the tide. I will let this fire rain burn me through the hurricane.
I had picked up a few groceries on the way home this day, and I just kind of threw them on the island when I came in, but I wanted to go ahead and get those put away. I wanted to say hi to anyone who may be new. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so glad to have you here. If you are enjoying what you see, and if you haven't already, please consider hitting that little red subscribe button. I would love to have you join this amazing little community here on YouTube. I share a ton of cleaning, organizing, decorating, and lifestyle type videos here on my channel.
When I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? Oh, was it a rainbow falling?
Now that all the countertops are all cleaned off, I'm just going to wipe everything down with a wet e-cloth.
Meant to find a little peace of mind. You dream away for a day. All I need is true, and I'm when I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you.
Moving on into the living room, it really was not too bad. I just need to tidy up a few things.
Was it a rainbow falling? I've been falling, and I've been calling. Oh, was it a rainbow falling?
I had a load of laundry on the bed that I wanted to get folded and put away, and there were also a few items that I needed to hang.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. you added colors, like the moon is the snow. We don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know.
Our bathroom was kind of a disaster. I definitely had a few things on the countertop that needed to be put away.
What it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. Call me, tell me
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it brought you some motivation to tackle a few messes in your home. If it did, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.